How to connect existing domain to Shopify store. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard using your credentials. Next, navigate to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From the menu, select Domains. In the Domain section, click on Connect Existing Domain. A pop-up will appear. Enter your domain name in the field and click Next to proceed. Now log into your domain provider's website and update the DNS settings. Set the A record to Shopify's IP address 23.227.38.65. Then set the CNAME record for www to shops.myshopify.com. Once the DNS changes are saved, go to Shopify and click Verify Connection. If everything is set up correctly, Shopify will confirm the domain connection and your custom domain will now point to your Shopify store. And that's how to connect your existing domain to Shopify. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.